Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of rugged luxury and unstoppable performance with the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper. A masterpiece of engineering and off-road innovation, this camper sets new standards for security, capability, and comfort. First, let's talk about the interior. Toyota is known for reliability and smart design, and the 2026 Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper takes it to the next level. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and purpose-built living area that combines modern ruggedness with high-end luxury. The materials used throughout are premium yet durable, from reinforced leather seating to lightweight carbon and aluminum finishes. The living room area features a large flat-screen TV, a satellite-connected sound system, and armored panoramic windows for safety and breathtaking views. The kitchen is fully equipped with expedition-ready appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, dual refrigerators, and even a compact freezer for long journeys. The bedroom, with a queen-size armored sleeping pod, offers unmatched protection and comfort, while the secure bathroom comes with ballistic-grade fixtures, ensuring you have safety and convenience wherever you travel. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is a true beast on wheels. With its bold, military-inspired design, it's built to dominate extreme terrains while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. The exterior is finished with a matte, armored coating that resists scratches, impacts, and harsh weather. A massive retractable awning creates an outdoor command center for relaxation or operations, while the reinforced alloy wheels and Toyota's signature 6x6 stance add to its presence. Built on a heavy-duty armored chassis, this camper is engineered for strength, stability, and ultimate off-road durability. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an electric drive assist system, delivering both massive torque and surprising efficiency. Whether you're powering across deserts, climbing rocky trails, or cruising highways, this camper provides an unstoppable driving experience. The 6x6 drivetrain, coupled with advanced air suspension, ensures stability and control even on the harshest terrains. An adaptive, armored transmission shifts seamlessly, balancing power, durability, and comfort. Additionally, Toyota has integrated next-gen off-road navigation, drone support, and advanced driver assist features, making it easier to conquer remote landscapes and urban environments alike. This camper delivers the ultimate balance of security, power, and luxury. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is a specialized product, and its price reflects its unique positioning. With a starting price of around $750,000, it's built for adventurers, explorers, and professionals who demand both safety and extreme off-road performance. The price tag includes armored protection, bespoke expedition features, and Toyota's world-renowned durability. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is an extraordinary combination of armored security, rugged performance, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a level of adventure-ready comfort and off-road capability that is unmatched in the world of campers. Whether you're planning expeditions across continents or simply want the ultimate armored luxury experience on wheels, the Toyota Sprinter 6x6 delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.